Today is 6th December, and yes, like the last day that I traded was 21st of November, and today is 6th December. So, in the meanwhile, I was not trading. I had some other works, some other priorities. I was traveling, and I couldn't keep my focus. So I stopped trading for these few days. I took a pause, and so I was supposed to start yesterday, that is the 5th of December, but instead I waited for one more day, and today I took a trade. This was my entry point, 18,598 at a PE of 18,450, and this line here is my target, and this 18,510 is my target, and this is my stop loss, 637, 18,637. The high of the day is my stop loss. So my setup was as soon as it broke this first red candle, I would take a P, and here in this 15 minutes candle also two red candles had been formed, and the third one is trying to make a green. So let's see. But my setup for today was if I got Nifty around 680 or somewhere like that, I would take 700, 18,700 as my stop loss, and I would sit in a PE trade. But market opened around 600, near 600, and then I should have entered here, exactly here, but I missed it. Then I entered in this first green candle for a put. So anyways, so my SL is the high of the day, but it will be better if I trail it down here, which is the opening point of the day, 629. That is right. The opening is 628.60. So 629 is the opening, and in case Nifty gets volatile or doesn't goes my way, I can exit at 629. So I would have 29, 30, 31 points. So 31 points SL in the index is fair enough for me. Whereas now I have to give 59, 37. Almost 40 points index in the SL. So let's keep it that, and let's see. As soon as my SL gets hit, I'll exit my trade. And if my SL doesn't, if a 5-minute candle doesn't give closing above my SL, then I'll keep it and wait for my target of 18,510. And in case my SL gets hit, I'll only sit in a C trade above 740, 18,740. So that is my setup for today. And since I have not traded for so many days, like from 21st November. That was Monday, and today is like 2, almost 2 weeks I have not traded. More than 2 weeks. So let's see. Still today my focus is just to make one good trade. And let's see if I can make one good trade or not. So that's it. So this is the current situation now. I entered at the second candle, and from there market went up, and it broke my SL 2 times more, but I didn't exit it because I was waiting for my SL to break on a 15-minute time frame, but in 15 minutes time frame it didn't broke my SL. It went up 2 times. 3 times it went up, once, 2, 3, and it came down my SL. The body came down my SL. So I didn't exited my trade, and in a 45-minute time frame, the first candle was a doji dragonfly. The second candle was a green candle, a bullish candle, and now the third candle is forming. So 30 minutes is left. Once this candle closes, I'm going to keep my SL here. I'm going to trail my SL here or here. I'm not sure. Here would be better. 34, 634 would be better. But I'm not sure of trailing my stop loss. I would wait for my target and trail my stop loss later. Once once it goes above my target of 18,510, then it goes below my target of 18,510, then I'll trail my stop loss to 18,510. And my second target is 470, 18,470. So 500 and then 470. So 510, 598. It's almost 80 points I can capture if my target gets hit. So let's see what happens. And I was pretty confused in the meanwhile. This 20-30 minutes I was pretty confused. Should I exit? Should I not exit? Because this candle broke my SL. Again it came down my SL. Then it formed a doji. So I was pretty confused. But on a bigger time, I was waiting for it to break in a bigger time frame. So which didn't happen. So I'm still in the trade, and let's see what happens. And I can carry this trade for tomorrow also. So let's see. So this is the current situation now. Nifty came down and it took support at this red candle from 18,588. This is the support line, this yellow line. Support in pivot, and it took support, and almost it rallied 50 points up, 50-60 points it rallied upward. So still there is no sign that Nifty can break the low of this 15-minute candle or today's low. And I'm a bit confused that whether I should book my loss or I should keep it for tomorrow. But tomorrow the premiums will be very low, so I'm not sure about that. A 100-point gap down opening would give me profit. Otherwise, I'm not sure. So I'm pretty much confused. And in case today Nifty breaks this support or breaks today's low, then it may come downward, and I'll exit my trade, or I'll exit my trade if it hits my stop loss, which possibilities are there. But I feel that today Nifty will be within this range, because there are a lot of call writers and put writers at 18,600. So I don't think Nifty will go a lot on the upside, or it will fall a lot in the downside. It will somehow end towards 18,600, near 18,600. And today also it will form a doji in the daily time frame. So I have not decided, and in case I exit my trade, I'll update it, or I'll record it. And the other thing that I did today was I traded a call option in FinNifty. My first trade in FinNifty, but the price is not moving. I took a FinNifty is around something 350, 18,350 or something like that. But I took a call option of 350 at 1.80, two lots, and now I'm at a loss. There is not huge movement in FinNifty, so let's see. I'll exit, or I'll book my loss, whatever I'll do. Let's see. So this is the current situation now, and I've decided to keep this for tomorrow. Keep this trade for tomorrow. And Nifty is near a resistance line, so let me delete this first. Yes, Nifty is near a resistance line, and this was today's support in pivot. So I'll keep my trade, and wait for it tomorrow. So I've removed my SL, and in case Nifty opens above this trend line, then it will be a bit difficult for me. But if Nifty respects this resistance line here and falls down, tomorrow I can see little, because now I'm at a loss of 800 rupees. So I have not booked my loss, and I have booked my loss in the FinNifty trade, loss of around 100 rupees. But I still couldn't understand it, what happened, why it happened. So anyways, it might take time. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll stick with this trade for tomorrow. So let's see what happens. That's it.